Hey, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be unboxing the new Redmi Note 11 Pro that you can get in Kenya for around 35,000 Kenya shillings. This is one of the many in the Redmi Note 11 series. We have the standard Redmi Note 11. Then we have the Redmi Note 11S, which I reviewed a few months back. And this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro 4G. But we also have the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, which is available for a bit higher price. So this is the unboxing of the Note 11 Pro. So we have this documentation and the SIM removal kit. Then we have the safety information guide, the quick start guide, the warranty card, and the back cover, transparent back cover. And here is the phone. Feels quite nice. Let's just put it aside and see what we get in the box. We also have the 67-watt fast charger. It is quite fast, 67 watt, and the USB cable. So you are not getting any earphones in this. So here is the Redmi Note 11 Pro. The build quality is actually very good, as you can see. At the back we have the main 108 megapixel camera. Then we have a 8 megapixel camera sensor, then two 2 megapixel sensors. So the main one is the 108 megapixel. Here we have the power button, which also has the fingerprint sensor, volume rocker, quite steady, headphone jack, speaker grill, and a microphone. Also that seems to be an IR blaster. And we have another speaker grill here, the USB Type-C port, microphone, and a SIM tray, and nothing else. So the back looks like most of the other Redmi Note 11 phones. Flat back. It's plastic but feels really good. And it's powered by the Helio G97 processor, which is not the latest, but it's quite good. It's still good. It comes with Android 11 with MIUI 13. So here it is, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro 4G. The display is a 6.67-inch one with 120Hz refresh rate, and it's a full HD display. Actually looks very good. And as for the battery, we do have a 5000 mAh battery, which supports 67 watt fast charging, so you can charge it from 0 to 100% in around 48 minutes, or 0 to 45% in 15 minutes, which is quite fast. Faster than most of the other phones you have on the market. And then we also have the stereo speakers at the bottom and at the top for a very good sound experience, audio experience. And that's about it for the unboxing, the Redmi Note 11 Pro, which you can get in Kenya for 35,000 Kenya shillings. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.